Hi, it's Chris Frame, the Maritime historian here, and I've just been thinking about what Queen Mary 2 might actually look like if the plan changes go ahead. That will see more deck space put on top of deck 14 and the addition of extra cabins on deck 13. And so I've mocked up this little drawing. Now, I think this is pretty representative of what Cunard has shown so far, with the deck 14 extra decking area that probably will have to have some kind of awnings there because of the deck space, and then also the increase in height on the ship on deck 13. So this image here originally was taken in Sydney, the ship earlier this year, when it still has the 2016 refit changes made. So it still has cabins on deck 13, but it does stop about halfway along that top deck space there between the mast and the funnel. And then now we can see what it will look like potentially when that refit happens in 2027. That will of course include more deck space on top of deck 14 and the increased number of cabins there that fills in the space that was otherwise known as deck space. So a bulkier ship, a much taller looking ship. I don't know. What do you think of the changes? Let me know in the comments below. There's lots of talk and speculation about this refit. Of course, we are only looking at half the picture because we don't yet know what's going to be happening on deck 7, deck 2 or deck 3. But lots of people talking about it, and just recently I saw that Sailaway also did a bit of a review on the technical aspects of what this might actually mean for Queen Mary 2. So I thought it might be interesting just to visualize what those changes that have been announced so far via the deck plans might look like. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments below.